Hey everybody, so in this video we are solving systems of non-linear equations, and we can use either substitution or elimination. So in this particular example, I'm going to use substitution. So remember that when you're using substitution, you typically want to solve for an x or a y, and you want the y or x to have a coefficient of 1. So here, both of my equations have a coefficient of 1. They're both set to be y equals. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this top equation, x squared plus 3x minus 5, and I'm going to set it equal to this equation. So I'm going to substitute this value in everywhere I see a y in the bottom equation. So here I have x squared plus 3x minus 5 equals 2x squared plus 5x minus 4. Now, you've worked with problems like this in your algebra classes. If you have quadratics, normally what you want to do to find the value of x is to set the quadratic equal to 0. So here, we'll move this quadratic on the left and we'll move it over here to the right. So our new quadratic is going to be x squared plus 2x plus 1. So here, in order to solve this, we're going to need to factor. So I'm looking for two numbers that are going to multiply together to give me 1, and they're going to add to give me 2. And that's going to be x plus 1 and x plus 1. So I have one x-intercept, and that's going to be negative 1. So in order to find the y value, we need to take this x value and substitute it back into one of our equations. So we know that we have an x solution of negative 1. And we know that y equals x squared plus 3x minus 5. So we'll substitute in this negative 1 everywhere we see an x. So negative 1 squared is 1. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. So 1 minus 3 is negative 2. And then negative 2 minus 5 is negative 7. So our solution here is negative 1, negative 7. All right, that's going to be all for this example. I hope that you found it helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments, and we'll see you all in the next video.